Bitcoin is breaking towards the upside right now, but I think that it is going to be completely over for Bitcoin. We are going to need to be talking about that exactly. What is going to be next for Bitcoin? Because it is not what you think. So guys, can we once again push up the likes back above the 300 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into the short term. And yes, it is going to be over for Bitcoin. Now, it is not going to be over for the Bitcoin price. I do not think that the Bitcoin price is going to be seeing a crash towards the downside. I actually do think that the short-term Bitcoin price action is looking very beautiful and very bullish, but I think it is going to be over for the Bitcoin dominance, because the Bitcoin dominance I think is going to be topping out once again over here. So altcoins are about to be absolutely exploding. We are going to need to be talking about that exactly a little bit later, but first of all, before talking about this, need to be talking about a short-term Bitcoin price action. Because yes, I do want to be saying first of all that the Bitcoin price action in the short term is just beautifully playing out and is still looking extremely bullish. I've been saying it many times. I think Bitcoin is going to be seeing this bullish breakout towards the upside over here. Whenever we're going to be seeing this break above this level of resistance, whenever we're going to be seeing this break outside of this symmetrical triangle, I've been saying many times that then I'm going to be having a look into that 110k level getting reached for Bitcoin. So we're still well on our way towards that 110k level. I think we're still going to be easily reaching it. Yes, we are still having that CME gap down below us, but I've been saying in the video of yesterday that we should not really be getting worried all too much about this one. We've been creating many CME gaps in the past during a Bitcoin bull market, and during a Bitcoin bull market, yes, of course, you should always be a little bit cautious, but we do not necessarily have to be filling every single CME gap. Most of these CME gaps are just here as traps. And I've been saying many times, as long as the Bitcoin funding rates are still going to be at this neutral level and this extremely low level, while Bitcoin is literally making new all-time highs on neutral funding rates, well, this is looking very bullish, and we are still going to be headed even higher. As long as the Bitcoin funding rates are going to be at these neutral levels, I'm still going to be remaining to be bullish. I still think that Bitcoin is going to be pushing even higher, because literally what happens right now is that Bitcoin is pushing even higher and people are opening up short positions. And all of the time, whenever people are opening up short positions, well, more liquidity is starting to be build up on that top side. So yeah, more liquidity is on that top side. So more short squeezes are going to be inevitable. Bitcoin is just going to be pushing even higher, and all of this short liquidity, all of this liquidity on the top side is just going to be bringing the Bitcoin price even higher. So that is why, as long as the Bitcoin funding rates are still going to be remaining to be this low, well, we're still going to be looking bullish, and I still do think that Bitcoin can easily push even higher towards the upside. Now, we've been perfectly predicting it perfectly over here with this rising wedge. Bitcoin history is just exactly repeating, like I've been explaining many times. Bitcoin is going to be repeating from this rising wedge structure. Most likely it's going to be breaking out towards the upside. Right now in the short term, we are breaking this RSI downtrend, and Bitcoin is just going parabolic right now in the short term, in my opinion. If we're going to be drawing it out, you can perfectly be seeing that we are going to be, we are literally going exponential for the Bitcoin price. So I do think that this trend is about to be continuing in the coming few days. I think Bitcoin will continue to go parabolic over here until that 110k level will be reached. So yeah, the short term for the Bitcoin price action still looking very good. December still closing as a bullish month, like we have been predicting, like I've been saying for so many times. Only 38% of the retail accounts are currently holding long positions, while the whales are actively longing Bitcoin like crazy. So very good balance over here, still indicating that smart money is buying, smart money knows what they're doing, but the retail people, the stupid money, still does not know that, we're going to be headed even higher. So yeah, still trading inside of this massive uptrend over here. The momentum towards the upside is just absolutely unstoppable. Nobody can be stopping this uptrend over here. Bitcoin history is still exactly repeating, like I've been explaining many times. Also repeating exactly the 2021 price action from the last bull market, like you can be seeing over here. Exactly repeating, exactly playing out. So let's see if the Bitcoin price is about to be going as parabolic again, like we did during the last cycle. Anyways, tomorrow we're going to be getting another interest rate cut. So that's going to be very exciting. It's going to be having a long-term bullish effect on the market as always. And anyways, guys, if you're going to be getting interested in trading that imminent short term right now as well, because massive opportunities are coming up in the market, this is going to be the most lucrative and the best times to be trading Bitcoin or trading altcoins. Also more on altcoins a little bit later, because right now is going to be the time to be paying attention in towards altcoins. But anyways, if you are going to be getting interested in trading right now, make sure to be checking out that first link down below, because with that first link down below, you can be claiming some insane deposit bonuses, and Blofin is a no KYC exchange. Of course, you need to keep in mind if trading is going to be legal in your country, but anyone all around the world is going to be eligible to be signing up an account over on Blofin right now. Claim these insane deposit bonuses and start trading over on Blofin. Start trading Bitcoin or altcoins with that link down below. Anyways, a spot Bitcoin ETF inflow still looking very good. Yesterday we have had another inflow date, $636 million coming in. So still looking very good. I've been saying many times, as long as we're still going to be seeing spot Bitcoin ETF inflows, we're still going to be bullish. We're still going to be good. So anyways, talking about the altcoins, talking about the Bitcoin dominance, I think it's going to be completely over, because everyone is selling their altcoins right now. Everyone is not having a look in towards altcoins anymore. Everyone thinks that altcoin season is going to be dead for this cycle, that it's not going to be repeating anymore, that we're just going to be seeing a Bitcoin season only. But I think people are completely wrong. I just think that we are in this stage over here, some consolidation before the actual real altcoin season. We have already seen this small little pullback towards the downside. Now we're seeing this consolidation, and after that consolidation, we're going to be headed for the ultimate altcoin season. So yeah, small little altcoin season over here. Right now, some consolidation, but after the consolidation, I think we're going to be headed for the ultimate altcoin season. So right now, I still think it's going to be one of your last opportunities to be accumulating altcoins for relatively cheap compared to Bitcoin, right? If you're going to be selling off your Bitcoin right now for altcoins, it's going to be a good opportunity. So yeah, I am still going to be doing that right now. I think right now is going to be a perfect and good opportunity. If we're going to be having a look into this chart over here, the Binance basis, well, according to the Binance basis, it is going to be indicating that the ultimate altcoin season, where all of the altcoins are going to be exploding like crazy, is going to be starting within the coming week or the coming 2 weeks. So yeah, having a look in towards Ethereum. Ethereum is just trying to be breaking above this level of resistance. If we can be breaking above this level of resistance over here, I think that's going to be the moment where the real altcoin season is going to be starting. Altcoins are going to be popping off like crazy. And yeah, Ethereum is going to be headed for new all-time highs. So let's see when it is going to be happening. Ethereum is still looking very beautiful and very bullish over here. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure that you're following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.